Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and creating safety nets. This prevents total loss. First, backup personal files to an external drive or cloud and verify the copy. Next, make a Windows 10 recovery USB or full system image so you can restore if needed. Also prepare the alternate operating system installer on a bootable USB, Linux, or a fresh Windows build, so once you wipe the drive, you can immediately install the replacement OS. You now boot from the recovery or alternate OS USB, enter BIOS or UEFI, and set USB as the first boot device if the system ignores it. Once the installer loads, choose Custom Install or Advanced Drive Tools, then delete the Windows partitions, typically the C partition and the Small System Reserved partitions, so Windows files are removed. After deletion, create and format the target partition using the file system required by the. You install the replacement OS to the clean partition and follow installer prompts until setup completes. This permanently replaces Windows 10. Once installed, make sure drivers and the bootloader are correctly configured. Repair or reinstall the bootloader if the machine does not boot. If problems occur, use your recovery USB to run startup repair, check BIOS/UEFI SATA mode and boot order, or reset firmware settings. If hardware drivers are missing, download them from the vendor using another device and transfer via USB to resolve functionality issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.